So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix cannot find 640x 480 video mode in GTA Vice City. So first of all you have to do is just go here to your display settings. Here, go to the display settings, and then go to display resolution and search for the numbers that you find. If you don't find them, just go to device manager, go to display adapters, and then right click on your adapter and make sure that you update your driver. Search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the last one. And if this still isn't working, what you're gonna do, and this is mostly what gonna fix your problem. I don't have a GTA Vice City right now, but it's literally the same instruction. Just right click to it, go to properties, and then search for compatibility. And as you can see here, settings run in 640 and x48 screen resolution. Make sure to check this option. It will be available for your GTA Vice City. Change this option, click on OK, and then click on apply, and this will fix automatically your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget subscribe, hit the like button, and subscribe.